In this video, we're going to learn how to import Clearbit company information for a list of URLs in Airtable. So you can see here I've got a URL field which has got a list of company URLs in it. The next thing you need to do is to add a grid view called needs info and add the following filters to it. We want name to be empty and URL to be not empty. And as we look up the company information, the records are going to move out of this filtered view. So then go to the Airtable app marketplace and add the free data fetcher app to your base. Then sign up for a free data fetcher account or sign into your existing account. Click on create your first request, and for application select Clearbit. You then need to grab your API key for Clearbit. So sign up for a free Clearbit account and from the dashboard grab your API key and enter it in this API key input here. Then for the endpoint, select look up company info from domains. Change the name of the request to fetch company info and click save and continue in the bottom right. For the company domain, we want to use the values from our URL field. So click on this add icon on the right hand side and select the URL field and click confirm. And we can see that's now got a reference to that URL field in the companies table. And if you've got other bits of information on the company that might help improve the accuracy of results, you can enter them here. But we don't have any, so we're just going to use the URL field. And for output table and view, we want the companies table and the needs info view. Then click on save and run and continue. And we can see all the fields that are going to come back from Clearbit that give us extra info about that company. So you can filter or import each field. So I'm going to filter a couple out. But I'm going to keep the name and map that to our existing name field. Also create a new field for legal name and keep some of these other fields here about the industry. But there's lots of different available fields here, so you can just keep the ones you need. So once you're happy, click save and run, and data fetcher is going to create those new fields in our output table and then run the request for each record. And as you can see, the records move out of that view, but in our grid view we can see all the information for each company has been pulled in based on the URL.